How to sleep off a hangover. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, sleep off a hangover. This expression is commonly used in English-speaking cultures and can be a useful one to understand whether you're learning English for work, travel, or fun. Hangovers are a universal experience, and the ways people deal with them can tell you a lot about a culture. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it. The phrase, sleep off a hangover, consists of two parts. First, let's break down what a hangover is. A hangover refers to the uncomfortable physical effects that follow the consumption of too much alcohol. Symptoms may include headache, nausea, and a general feeling of being unwell. The second part, sleep off, is an idiomatic expression meaning to allow something to pass or be resolved by sleeping. So, when you put it all together, to sleep off a hangover means to try to overcome the symptoms of a hangover by sleeping. It's based on the belief that sleep can help your body recover from the effects of alcohol consumption more effectively. In many English-speaking countries, the concept of sleeping off something is not limited to hangovers. You might hear people talk about sleeping off a cold, a headache, or even a bad mood. However, when it comes to hangovers, this phrase reflects a common approach to dealing with the aftermath of drinking too much alcohol. It's important to understand that this phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, someone might actually go to sleep hoping to feel better when they wake up. Figuratively, it might be used in a more humorous or light-hearted way to comment on someone's state after a night of drinking. Let's look at how sleep off a hangover might be used in everyday conversation. After a night out, I can't believe how much I drank last night. I need to sleep off this hangover before I can do anything else today. In advice to a friend, you look terrible, man. Go home and try to sleep off your hangover. You'll feel better. Reflecting on personal limits, I'm not as young as I used to be. I can't just sleep off a hangover and be fine the next day anymore. Understanding the phrase, sleep off a hangover, gives you insight not only into the English language but also into a cultural approach to dealing with the after-effects of drinking. Whether you're studying English for personal growth, travel, or to connect with English speakers, grasping these kinds of expressions will enrich your conversational skills and cultural understanding. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with fascinating discoveries. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.